Alright, I got the call. The Grom's here. So we're gonna go pick it up. And yeah, you're gonna come with. Cherry is extremely excited to go. Alrighty guys, 0 miles. Here she is. Beautiful. Alright, we're gonna ride her home. So this video is a little bit shorter, way too late that I realized that my GoPro was not really pointed up like it was supposed to be, or like I thought it was. So a lot of the video gets cut out, a lot of the really nice drive, because you're just staring at the ground. There's nothing good to see. Different video, more riding videos will be coming, comparison videos coming. So now, just enjoy a little bit of riding. Yeah, so you're about to watch me clutch dump on accident. I was not paying attention to the light, kind of panicked, and this is my 3rd time using a clutch on a bike, so whoops. Alright, so I accidentally stopped the recording on my first drive of the Grom. But there's the Grom. We're at Rolling Hills. We're gonna ride home. So you're gonna ride with me, and we're gonna enjoy this. First ride.